What's up, guys? We're back at it again. It's early, bright. I'm hot too. But yeah, today we're gonna do maintenance on the bike. Got all the oil and stuff right here. I'm gonna use this right here for it. Yeah, I've been working on it recently because I'm taking it on a road trip. I'll be documenting that as well, so stay tuned for that. So I got the jacks, well, the stands for the bike ready. But before I start, I'm gonna show y'all something real quick. Look at this thing. Yeah, it's kind of nuts. But so I'm gonna get the bike on the stand, and then we're gonna get the oil change going. Still find my drain pan for the oil, so improvised. So oil might be a little milky, you get it, but yeah. So hopefully it all fits in these two. If not, it's gonna be oil all over the floor. But yeah, let's get the old one out and swap out the filter. It's fairly easy if you haven't done this before. The drain bolt is right there, and the oil filter is like right behind the headers in the back. You'll be able to see it from this side. Is right there. So I just might have to loosen up the fairings on this side a little bit so I can get my hand behind it easier and get it out. Probably get it out through there, but the filter itself won't come out. So I just have to loosen probably this one and that one right there, that one, and then possibly these up here. But it should be a fairly easy thing to do. So but yeah, let's get started. Let's drain it. See if we have enough bottles to hold all the oil in there. So all right. It started shooting up here, and then it shifted all the way to here, and this thing wasn't over there to catch it, so now it's all over the floor. So but okay. Oh shit. Well, time to grab some dirt and soak it all up. So check back in a second. So I took the fairings out. The bolts at least. So I took that one out, the one underneath out, that one. I sort of cleaned the mess I made. Still dripping a little bit. I just want all the oil to be out since I'm putting a new one anyway. I did take off all these also because I'm gonna end up, yeah, the right side. So I'm gonna end up putting a little bit of antifreeze in there just to top it off. So that's like right there. So I just end up taking it off. So, oh, forgot one thing. So I need this thing, like garage light, just to hold the fairing down since I didn't separate it from the other side. I don't want it to bend all the way out and for it to either break or something like that. So let's see. Yeah, it's starting to bend right there. So I need a better support. That might work. So I'm pretty sure we're gonna leak more oil when I take the filter off. But yeah, so we're basically almost there. Just removing the filter, replacing it, and then topping off. antifreeze, then put everything back. So, well, all right, let's get to it. Set y'all up on the floor and just let you watch. Maybe they swap something in the box or what, but besides that, I cleaned off all the oil, mainly for two reasons. First, I don't want anything staying in there, and then when I'm riding, the wind hits it and it blows back, and the back tire hits it and slides, and other stuff happen after that. The other reason is it's on the exhaust itself, so it gets hot and it will just cook it and it'll just smell like oil and smoke and all the other stuff. So I take a break, go to the store, exchange the filter, and then come back. So I'll see you when I get back from that.